Main Street versus Wall Street. Public anger over corporate greed, schemes and loans, which led to the worst recession since the Great Depression, was raw and widespread. The demand for financial regulation and accountability seemed to be echoed in Washington in a series of high-profile hearings and investigations. But years later, there have been no federal prosecutions. Michael Wilds is a former federal attorney and says financial fraud will continue until there is real political reform and the watchdog, the Securities and Exchange Commission, is given greater powers.
I just see new prosecutions coming and going in the dockets of the courts, and I don't see any remarkable change. That's a shame, because unfortunately it's just going to be kicking the can down to another generation of prosecutors.
Rajat Gupta's conviction has become a symbol of corporate punishment. The former Goldman Sachs director gave confidential information to his business associate, Raj Rajaratnam, who made millions trading the stock market. Gupta was found guilty of 3 charges of securities fraud and 1 of conspiracy and faces up to 10 years in jail. Barack Obama appeared to put the financial sector on notice during his first year in the White House when he warned, "I did not run for office to help out a bunch of fat cat bankers on Wall Street." But after 4 years, the Obama administration has failed to file a single criminal charge over the 2008 global financial crisis. While the mortgage crisis and the subsequent economic meltdown happened on George W. Bush's watch, it fell to Obama to bring those responsible to justice. But just 2 months ago, the Attorney General announced he would not pursue Goldman Sachs. Former bank regulator William Black is not surprised.
And the only way Obama got the nomination was because his leading source of political contributions was the finance industry. And so from the beginning, Obama, like Bush, has heavily identified with the finance industry.
In this election year, neither candidate has signalled any interest in chasing Wall Street criminals, giving little hope for change. Kath Turner, Al Jazeera, New York.